A quality silicone spatula can make everyday cooking and cleaning tasks noticeably easier while saving time. These tools help protect surfaces and keep materials intact during use. Options exist to match different kitchens, budgets, and preferences. This overview compares key features, ease of use, and performance factors. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 7. When it comes to practical performance, this set focuses on a practical 5-piece layout for everyday tasks. Coukre Silicone Spatula Set gives you multiple shapes in one compact holder. The large and small scoops handle portions in stiff dough, while the straight edge slides smoothly under fragile food. Safe food-grade silicone resists odors and stays stable between -40 degrees and 310 degrees, which helps avoid melting on hot surfaces. Because the material is gentle, it causes less risk to non-stick pans when you scrape corners or fold batter. The design suits home cooks, bakers, and apartment residents who juggle limited storage. This set earns attention on the list because it mixes flexibility, temperature range, and varied shapes at one price point. If you want a compact collection that covers mixing, scraping, and serving in one holder, this set is worth examining closely. Number 6. Featuring a distinct design, this set focuses on a flat, wide edge and ultra-thick walls for serious scraping and folding. Built from 100% food-grade silicone, it resists stains and odors while staying flexible against bowl edges. The material safely handles heat up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, so it should survive hot pans and covered ovens without melting or warping. These pieces suit home cooks and bakers using non-stick or delicate coated pans who need a gentle yet sturdy tool. Each spatula in this 5-piece collection targets a specific kitchen job, from thin spreading to thick batter folding. If you want one silicone set where construction and heat claims match everyday cooking needs, this option earns a slot based on its design and material specs. Number 5. Built with durability in mind, this set focuses on high heat safety with food-grade silicone that handles up to 600 degrees. The firm yet flexible heads help you scrape bowls and non-stick pans without scratching surfaces. Each spatula resists melting in hot pans, which matters for high-temperature cooking or for getting food on the stove. These sticks work well for baking, thick batters, and everyday mixing at home. The set gives multiple sizes so you can reach corners, flip foods, and handle wide pots. Compared with thinner models, these pieces balance stiffness for control and softness for gentle scraping. They clean easily since silicone stands up to dishwashing. If you cook with non-stick cookware and want one set for most tasks, this combination of temperature range and food-safe materials earns a spot on the list. Number 4. This set focuses on high heat tolerance and safety, with 100% food-grade silicone that can handle up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit without risk of melting. The material is flexible, helping it glide along non-stick surfaces without creating scratches. Each spatula in this 5-piece collection resists staining and odors, making cleanup easier after messy dough or sauces. Heat resistance and easy cleaning matter for everyday cooking and baking, especially in smaller kitchens with varied cookware. It suits apartment dwellers and home bakers who want a simple, safe set for stirring, flipping, and scraping. They earn a spot on the list by combining practical construction with a clear focus on durability and compatibility with non-stick pans. Number 3. A softly curved handle and a compact set layout define this silicone spatula collection. Heat safe from -40 degrees to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, these pieces avoid melting in hot pans and resist warping under high-temperature cooking. Food-grade, non-toxic material stays stable with greasy or acidic foods, while remaining gentle on non-stick surfaces. The firm yet flexible shafts slide under delicate foods, and the set offers 5 different shapes for scraping bowls, flipping, and portioning. Home cooks with limited storage space appreciate how the design consolidates multiple tasks into one compact holder. For apartment dwellers, the construction supports everyday use without risking non-stick cookware. This set earns its spot by matching practical build to real cooking routines. What it is, how the heat range and materials function, why the flexibility helps, who benefits from the size, and why it appears here based on those features. Number 2. This one focuses on a slim, heat-safe profile and a one-piece build. The handle is designed to feel stable in your hand, while the thin edge and flexible blade help it glide along the bowl and slide under food without hanging up. Because it is made from food-grade silicone, the material resists stains and odors, which matters when you are moving from eggs to sauces. Heat resistance up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit means it should handle simmering sauces and high heat tossing without worry, as long as you stay within the stated limit. Dishwasher-safe construction removes stuck-on residue easily, and the design aims to protect non-stick surfaces. This suits apartment cooks and bakers who want one dependable spatula for everyday tasks on delicate cookware. Number 1. Starting with a set that brings function front and center, the Chefaide 5-pieces silicone spatula set focuses on serious heat safety for everyday cooking. It is a collection of food-grade silicone tools engineered to handle up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit without melting or cracking, which directly protects non-stick surfaces and preserves pan longevity. This high-temperature threshold means you can slide, scrape, and stir aggressively during frying or baking without worrying about utensil failure. The set covers multiple cooking motions with different shaped pieces, reducing the need to switch between awkward tools mid-recipe. For apartment dwellers and careful bakers, the combination of premium silicone build and versatile piece count offers strong practical value in a single package, earning it a justified spot on this list. Silicone spatulas offer different benefits depending on handle comfort, heat tolerance, and flexibility. Budget-focused buyers, performance-focused cooks, and families each have options that align with their priorities. Review specifications, compare handle designs, and check cleaning requirements carefully. Hopefully this guide helped narrow down the options. Check the links below for current pricing and details.